Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Jupyter Notebook on your system, on your laptop. So I'm using a Windows, so what I want to do now is first of all go to Google and then I type Jupyter Notebook, and this is what comes out. So this is the website. So I'm going to click it and it will open like this. Once it opens, I'll click on install. Now it will bring me here, so you can see the Jupyter Lab, the Jupyter Notebook and all. Now what I want to install, so it depends on what you want to do. So if you install Jupyter Lab with an Conda or Mamba, you can use Anaconda channel. So if you are going to use Anaconda and the rest of them, but what I want to do is I want to just install the notebook. So what I'll do is I'll just run the command pip install notebook. So I'm going to go back to my terminal, then I'll open a command prompt. Okay, so inside this command prompt I need to create a folder and call it Jupyter. I'm going to create a folder and then I'll call it Jupyter. So mkdir, and then I'll call it Jupyter, right? Just for identification. Then I'll now navigate inside this new folder I just created, Jupyter. Alright, now I am inside the file now, so I can now run the command pip install notebook and I hit enter. So you should know that you have to be connected to internet so that you can be able to download. If you are not connected to internet, you may not be able to do it. Alright, so as you can see, the command is running and all the packages and library that needs to be downloaded are already downloading. Okay, I don't need to bore you with all of this, so let's come back to it when it is finished downloading. Okay, so as you can see, you can now see that it has finished downloading and every other package is already set. So what we need to do now is to run the Jupyter to start it. So what do we need? So look at, we install the notebook. So the command that will do it is Jupyter Notebook. So we can open it like this and then open our commands and command line and hit enter. And so if it is installed correctly, it will open for us. Okay, all right. Okay, so you can see that it has opened a local web address for us, and it has opened on the browser. So depending on the browser you are using, I'm using Chrome browser, so which will make it like this. So as you can see, we now have a new Jupyter notebook running on our system. Now there are several things you can do. If you want to upload, that means you have an existing file, an existing data or file that you want to load. So you can click on upload here and then you can upload the files. Alright, but then I don't have any files. So what I want to do is I want to start a new Python file. So I'll click here and then it will open a new Python environment like this. So here I can now do whatever it is I want to do. So let's simply say I'm assigning a value to a variable, and then I want to print that value like this. So if I do X here and I close the bracket, and then I can click on run here to run it, and then I get a response. So this is how to install Jupyter Notebook on your Windows. It's simple and short. Alright, so this is how you can do it. If you have comment or a suggestion, you can let me know in the comment section. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you and see you again.